back to my channel. Today I'm going to be testing out a new makeup palette by The Beauty Crop. So these are a brand that I've seen pop up on my Instagram a few times. I've never tried any of their products. To be honest, I never knew they existed until about a week ago. And I just clicked on, you know what it's like, I clicked on one post on Instagram and then all of a sudden I keep getting them on the daily. So I thought, right, I'm going to try these out and see what they're like. Now this one is the Mojito palette. I did get another one. I got two in a set for £20 I think it was, which was the Espresso Yourself one, but I'm going to try this on another day. But today I'm using the Mojito palette. This is the one that really caught my eye. The colours are beautiful. So the packaging looks like this, which I think is really, really cute. It's obviously got like the mint leaves on it and it's green themed. My favourite cocktail is a mojito, so I thought, yeah, this is a sign. And then the colours look like this, which are just beautiful. So you've got obviously blues and greens, and there's a couple of like neutral colours in there as well. This pressed glitter is cute. I don't know if I'm going to use that or not. I always find pressed glitters irritate my eyes. I don't know about anyone else, but I might stick to the shimmers. But yeah, so these are actually all pressed pigments, it says on the front there. So fingers crossed, they should be quite well pigmented. So yeah, let's get them on my face. So I think I'm going to go into my crease with this one here, which is called Coaster. Oh, they do look really pigmented. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, there's no kickback in the pan at all. It's just clung to my brush really nicely. That's a really pretty green. Really, really nice. It's almost like on the teal side. Yeah, and so far it seems really pigmented. I'm just going to blend that in a bit, and then I probably will put another layer over the top of that as well. Oh, I like these. They blend really nicely. I did minimal blending on that, but it's kind of, the edges have dispersed like really, really well. Oh, nice. Okay, and then just above that colour, I'm going to kind of go out onto this slightly paler green here, which is like that. So it's like that compared to that one. And I'm just going to blend them two together.
Think about you. It was only one night, only that time, and it's not my style to be caught up in the middle like this. 'Cause now I dream about you. I was probably too drunk, it's blurry, but I've got the image of you.
I'm really liking these so far. They blend like an absolute dream. Yeah. Ooh. Right, so I think on this outer corner here, I want to go in with the darker one. So I quite like the look of this one here called Muddle, which looks like a really dark, yeah, it's like a really dark green. I like that. Actually looks like a real like teal shade, so it should go quite nicely.
So I'm gonna dive into you.
It doesn't even make sense why we try to fight it. Every time that we touch, the room caught on fire.
I really like that colour, that's really nice as well, and it has gone really, really nicely. Oh, the blend on these. Right, so on my inner half here, I'm going to go in with a shimmer. So I've got, there's sort of 5 shimmers here. I want kind of, I don't know if I want to stick to like a green. Let's give them a swatch and see what they're like. Okay, so we've got Icy, which is nice. That's like a green shimmer. Then this one is Juicy, which is like a gold. I'm not feeling gold today. This one is Refreshing. That's nice. This one. And then we have Cool. Oh, I like that. do like that one. I think I might go for that one actually. So I'm going to go for Cool. So it's this one here. So it's like a blue grey, almost like an aquamarine colour. So I'm going to go for that. I might actually cut my crease. So I'm going to cut my crease first and then I'll pop that on. Okay, so I've just cut that. So I'm going to go in with Cool now.
Like this.
But I'm gonna dive into you. And maybe I'll try. Can I do? And it will be alright. So let me down whenever we try to let this feeling slide. So I'm gonna dive in.
I absolutely love that. Really, really love that colour. Right, so underneath, what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of repeat the two shades that I did on the crease. So that was Coaster and Garnish, so these two here.
You went from lonely to falling in love, watching it all unfold. Yeah, I'm not scared of commitment, I'm just scared of doing something.
Yeah, I like that. Right, okay, little bit of fallout underneath, but nothing major, I wouldn't say. And I think most of that's actually from that shimmer. Okay, so then on the inner corner, I'm going to go in with that. Yeah, I'm going to do Icy. So this one here, I'm going to use that right on my inner corner.
I'm afraid to show you what's underneath, 'cause I don't wanna let you down. Let you down, let you down, let you down, 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 let you.
That's so pretty. I really, really like that. Happy. Right, okay, so I'm going to go and do the other eye and just obviously lashes and lippy, and then I will be back. Okay, so here is the finished look. So obviously with the lashes on, and I've put some lippy on as well. I love this palette. I absolutely love it. I'm so pleased that I bought it. For, as I say, for the offer for the two palettes, this worked out at a tenner, and it was well worth it. I've got more expensive palettes that haven't performed as well as this. I'm super impressed. So this is what the eyes are looking like close up, and I think that the blend on this palette, and it was easy as well, it wasn't difficult to blend. They've blended so well, the colours go together perfectly, and I absolutely love that shimmer on the inner half and on the inner corner. I think that's really pretty as well. I'm really pleased with it. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you enjoyed watching this video and you would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye.
Sometimes it gets hard for me to tell you how I feel. I'm afraid to show you what's underneath, 'cause I don't wanna let you down.